Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about power steering systems on your vehicle. Keeping the power steering system clean can prevent expensive repairs and failures that often come early without cleaning out the system. At the West Automotive Group, we recommend to flush the power steering system and replace the fluid every 2 years or 24,000 miles on most vehicles. In doing so, you can prevent failures such as power steering racks, pumps, and hose failures that can happen from acidic or contaminated fluid carrying contaminants throughout the system. Often when these contaminants are gone throughout the system, they cause early seal failure or wear, which in turn will cause leaks. To replace or repair these components, they're often replaced with remanufactured rack systems, and in doing so, can be quite expensive, somewhere between $1,200 to $2,000 or up, depending on the vehicle, make, or model. We want to make sure that we keep the system clean, so make sure and get your vehicle in regularly, have the system checked, inspect for leaks, flush the system properly with clean fluid, and your vehicle's power steering system will stay in good working order. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.